So, do you want to know how other artists make money in Canva? Their secret tricks and tips? Then, this tutorial is perfect for you. Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make money with Canva. First things first, open up your browser of choice. And then, go to canva.com/affiliates. This page will provide you with information about Canva's affiliate program. So, what you want to do is to click on the Join Now or Sign Up button on the page. You will be redirected then to the application form for Canva's affiliate program. Take note, please take the time to read and understand the contract terms, including commission rates and restrictions. Make sure that you are aware of the earning potential based on different subscription type. Once you have reviewed the terms, click on the Accept button to proceed. If you already have a Canva account, sign in using your credentials. However, if you don't have an account yet, sign up by providing your name, username, email address, and password. Enter your mobile number associated with the country that you are currently living in. Fill in the required information in the application form. Ensure that you provide accurate and relevant details. Accept the terms of service and choose whether you want to receive partnership news and updates. Once your application is approved, you will then receive access to your Impact account. Log into your Impact account by visiting impact.com and entering your credentials. In your Impact account, navigate to the Create a Link section. Choose the Canva brand and enable Canva as your brand you want to promote. Customize the link by adding a landing page or using the default settings. You can monitor the performance of your affiliate link in your Impact account. You can also track the number of clicks and actions taken by users who click on your link. Analyze the data to optimize your promotions and increase conversions. Once users sign up for Canva Pro through your affiliate link and take the desired action, you will earn commissions. Impact will then track your earnings and display the total earnings, pending balance, and expected payment dates in your account. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now make money with Canva. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.